Tobers. Come on. Come on. Dork, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Are we going for a ride? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Get up here. Get up here. Come on. I know you know how. Come on. You gotta help me help you. Come on. Get up here. There we go. Big old potato. Okay. I'm gonna clip you. Probably about there. Should be fine. And now you are gonna go on there. And you're gonna look down for right now because we have secrets that you can't see. Hopefully you didn't see them already. Oh, I'm gonna have to move that box. You're gonna have to work with me here. Stay. All right, well, now that all the friggin' hassle's out of the way, hey guys, welcome back to E-Bike Reviews and Adventures. Here with Emma today. Y'all actually probably don't know, there's a couple of things, there's a lot of stuff y'all don't actually know yet. So Dad had a very minor, nothing serious, but a very minor surgery on Monday. So he's recovering the next, well, I guess week or two, really. So he's doing pretty good though. He's getting better already. But yeah, so y'all might not see much of him for maybe the next couple weeks, unless there's videos that are pre-made that we post. Oh, we got a car. We got a car that's not paying attention, so I'm gonna have to come to a stop, aren't I? I'll just get on the sidewalk. Freaking jerks. Okay. My mirrors aren't straight. They're all wonky. That's okay. Who needs mirrors? So yeah, Dad's doing pretty good though. So that's going on. I don't feel like there's a lot. Aside from, y'all may or may not have caught on to the fact that we have created a new company where we are going to be designing, developing, and selling certain e-bike and e-trike products. They are certain products that are, most of them aren't really on the market in the e-bike community, and if they are, they're not very great. So we are improving a lot on some of those items. So we've got a lot of exciting stuff coming. So you guys are gonna have to keep an eye out for that. We will post when everything drops and everything's available. But until then, you can check out our website. I mean, the website's not really up, but you can still go check it out. There is a newsletter you can sign up for, so you will be the first to know when everything is available for pre-ordering or ordering or whatever we end up doing. So if you do go to the website, you can sign up for the newsletter. That's going to be hitchrackpro.com. Otherwise, check out our social media. We've got Facebook and Instagram. Same thing, hitchrackpro.com. Oh, not .com. Forget the .com. Just hitchrackpro. We also have TikTok, if there's anyone that's interested in that. Otherwise, the next big thing is I created a Facebook group for a lot of e-bike and e-trike stuff. Just because I was searching for a lot of groups, and while there's a lot out there, they're kind of limited. A lot of them are limited to buying or selling, or limited to just a lot of different stuff, ages or whatever else. And I was like, I kind of want something that can be for anybody and everybody. It doesn't matter what you want to post or what you want to do, you know, as long as you're respectful pretty much and nice. So I created a Facebook group. I will probably put it across the screen because I don't fully remember. But if I remember correctly, I want to say it's e-bike life tips and reviews or something like that. I don't know. I created my own freaking group and I don't even know the name of it. But it's okay. I'll put it across the screen. You guys can go check that out. We are the admins of it. We run it. It'll be nice to be able to like post with you guys and see what you guys are doing too, because you guys are so used to seeing us and what we do. I think it'd be really cool to see some of the rides and some of the things you guys get to go do too. So go ahead and go check that Facebook group out, and we can keep in touch that way. But other than that, we're just gonna go for a ride. We're gonna take Tobers out because he hasn't been out in a little while. He's not getting out as much because Dad's down and out for a little bit, so it's kind of my job to take him for rides and take him for walks and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So other than that, I will quit my yapping and y'all can just enjoy the scenery and hang out with us. So, how you doing, Tobers? Can't really see you back there. You blend in with everything. Someone's riding a horsey. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's horsies, look. That's cool. They've always been here. I've just never actually seen them out riding. I wonder if they do a summer camp. Maybe that's what it is, because they all look pretty young. That's cool. All right, I've got a question actually. Even though I literally just said I was going to quit the yapping. I've got a question because I don't think we've ever really asked this question before. Go ahead and drop a comment below on where you guys are from, where you're watching from. I know we've got a lot of people from Florida, I feel like, but I know there's other people out there too, so that'd be really cool to find out. Go ahead and drop a comment, y'all, so we can, I don't know, we'll see how far we're reaching. That'd be kind of cool. I don't know, is there anyone from like Kentucky or something? Louisiana? Maine? I don't know. Texas? Probably. Texas is huge. Oh, there's a big fluff. Oh. No. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're okay, Tobers. That was a fluffy boy. Didn't make the geese very happy. All right, y'all. That's probably going to be it for today. So thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Oh, follow our social medias. I'm scraping. And we will see you in the next one. Until then, ride safe, ride responsibly. Bye. Tobers, we're scraping. What'd you do? Oh, we're good now. I cleared it. Tobers! That might be my bad, y'all. So much for a Tober's video. I didn't shut the camera up right. Like I said, user error. Come on, buddy.